Hey guys, welcome back to IluMind. Greenblatt's big idea, beating the market, sounds fun. Ever wished for a magic formula to pick winning stocks? Joel Greenblatt, a Wall Street guru, claims he has one. In his book, The Little Book That Still Beats the Market, he shares this secret sauce. Don't worry, it's not really magic, just smart investing. Greenblatt believes his formula can help you beat the stock market. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see what the buzz is all about. Greenblatt's book is a fun and easy read, even if you're new to investing. He explains everything in simple terms, like he's chatting with you over coffee. No complicated jargon here. He uses real-life examples and even a little humor to make learning about investing enjoyable. Ready to unlock the secrets of the magic formula? Let's go. Cracking the code, chapters at a glance. Greenblatt's book is divided into 5 chapters, each revealing a piece of the puzzle. Chapter 1 introduces the simple idea behind the magic formula. It's all about finding good companies at bargain prices. Sounds simple, right? It is. Chapter 2 delves into the magic formula itself. It uses 2 key ingredients: return on assets, ROA, and earnings yield. Don't let these terms scare you. Greenblatt explains them clearly. ROA tells you how efficiently a company uses its assets to make money. Earnings yield shows how much profit a company makes relative to its stock price. Higher numbers for both are better. Chapter 3 dives into the backtest. Greenblatt shows how his formula has performed over the years. Spoiler alert, it beats the market. He provides historical data to prove it. Chapter 4 gets real with real-world examples. Greenblatt highlights companies that fit the magic formula and their track records. It's like seeing the formula in action. Finally, Chapter 5 guides you on building a portfolio using the magic formula. Greenblatt emphasizes diversification, spreading your investments across different companies and industries. He also stresses the importance of rebalancing your portfolio regularly to stay on track. Magic formula in action. Show me the money. Let's say you're looking for undervalued stocks. The magic formula tells you to look for companies with high ROA and earnings yield. Imagine company A has an ROA of 25% and an earnings yield of 10%. That means it's using its assets efficiently and generating good profits relative to its stock price. Sounds promising, right? Now compare that to company B with an ROA of 5% and an earnings yield of 2%. Company B is not using its assets as effectively and its earnings are low compared to its stock price. The magic formula suggests company A is a better investment opportunity. Of course, this is a simplified example. The magic formula considers many companies and ranks them based on both ROA and earnings yield. You would then invest in the top-ranked companies. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Today's market, is the magic still alive? The stock market is constantly changing. So, does the magic formula still work in today's market? Greenblatt believes it does, but with a caveat. He emphasizes that the formula is a long-term strategy. Don't expect overnight miracles. The market goes through cycles of ups and downs. During volatile times, the magic formula might not outperform as dramatically. However, over the long haul, it has consistently delivered solid returns. Greenblatt reminds us that patience and discipline are crucial for success in investing. Section 5. Key takeaways. Lessons from the master. Greenblatt's book teaches us that investing doesn't have to be complicated. The magic formula provides a simple yet powerful framework for finding undervalued stocks. It's like having a secret weapon in your investing arsenal. The key takeaways are: focus on finding good companies at bargain prices. Use return on assets and earnings yield to identify these opportunities. Diversify your portfolio, be patient, and stay disciplined. Remember, the magic formula is not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, informed investment decisions that can lead to long-term success. Section 6. Greenblatt's Words of Wisdom. My favorite quote. One quote from the book that resonates with me is: investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. This quote perfectly captures Greenblatt's investment philosophy. Investing is not about chasing thrills or making quick bucks. It's about making calculated decisions and letting your investments grow steadily over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Greenblatt reminds us that slow and steady wins the race. Section 7. The Power of Simplicity. Why this book matters. In a world of complex financial instruments and ever-changing market conditions, Greenblatt's book is a breath of fresh air. It reminds us that successful investing doesn't have to be complicated. The magic formula, with its simple yet effective approach, empowers even beginner investors to make informed decisions. This book demystifies investing and makes it accessible to everyone. It empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures and build wealth over time. Greenblatt's clear explanations, real-world examples, and engaging writing style make learning about investing enjoyable and less daunting. Section 8. Beyond the Formula. It's not just about the numbers. While the magic formula provides a valuable framework, Greenblatt emphasizes that it's not a magic bullet. Investors should use it as a starting point for their research. He encourages readers to delve deeper into companies' financials, understand their business models, and consider their future prospects. The magic formula helps you narrow down the playing field. It's then up to you to do your due diligence and make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing is not a game of chance. It's a game of skill and knowledge. Section 9. Join the adventure. Become a savvy investor. Greenblatt's book is a call to action. It encourages readers to take charge of their financial well-being and embark on the exciting journey of investing. The magic formula provides a roadmap, but the destination is up to you. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a copy of the little book that still beats the market and discover the power of the magic formula. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments. You can also let me know which book summary you'd like to see next. See you next time, and please hit that like and subscribe button.